special episode of Pimp My Ride. Maastricht, hey, come tell us what is happening. Look at that! Look at that!
It looks great,
Look at that!
What? Looks great.
Otherwise, this is. Shh. Okay, guys, we are not making noise today. We are here to surprise one of the members with the BMTV special episode of Pimp My Ride. Yeah, we are here to turn someone's car into a pimped version.
We are taking this Carpuride system and basically bringing a car from 2015 to 2025 by bringing some modern innovation and infotainment to our good friend.
Yeah.
Before we get caught, it's time to knock.
Hey!
Yo! Hey, James, what's up?
Yo, what's up?
Hey, yo, I'm just schooling these young ones. What's up?
Now, man, today we just decided to surprise you, man, with another episode on BMTV. Hey, your children, hey, they're stoked. Yeah? We are here to pimp your ride, my man. We'll take it from an A3 to an RS7, just the MMI system. You heard me.
No way.
Access squad case. Carpuride, right here. Infotainment.
Let me see.
Look at
Does it have a CarPlay?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Yo, you guys can continue.
IPS rating, touch screen, no buttons.
Let's go. Are you ready? Do you have your car keys?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go pimp this man's ride. This is the unboxing of the Carpuride system. This is not needed, so we'll move this aside. There's a couple of pieces here. I do believe this is the actual MMI system. So as umaneja umphathi wezinto zonke, I will delegate everything to my fellow peers right here. So on Pimp My Ride on BMTV on this special episode, I am just a manager. This is my team.
Let's check what's in this Carpuride. Okay, 9.3 inch HD IPS screen. So we get our aux cable for audio. This is, of course, I guess this is the suction cup holder for the dashboard. This is, of course, the, this will go on here, I believe. Hey, we'll figure it out now. Where there's a will, there's a way. And this right here, this takes no time for a whole lot of electronics and No, we don't do that. We do plug and play, quick, fast and in a hurry. Okay, so this is what's going to take the car from, this is a one cable plug and play system, very easy to use, looks like it's just a 12 volt, what do you call this?
It's a 12 volt socket.
Socket is there, one in the car.
12 volt car
Pin,
socket.
12 volt pin, yeah.
With a type C connection, I guess. Okay, so yeah, not a lot of mechanical wiring, all of that. Plug and play, easy. Women can do it, kids can do it. You can do it, right?
Let me say this. If manager can do it, anyone can do it.
That is true. That is very true. Okay, and then this is just this is the actual suction cup holder, and this is what goes on top of that. Okay, no problem. Okay. Manager gave me instructions, so now I'm going to pass that instructions off to Maastricht. Hey, come tell us what is happening.
So it looks like we have two options. So if you want to put it on the dash, we've got this, And then if you wanna put it on the windscreen, you've got the self-adhesive, and then yeah, you're good to go. Quick, fast, in a hurry.
Here is actually install the Carpuride system, the multimedia system, into the windscreen suction holder. So it's now one component. All we need to do right now is actually to put this in the windscreen. So yeah, you know almost the action, and then we'll tighten it up. Otherwise, it's nice when it's tight, yeah. So it can stick and yeah, understand. This So we've tightened up the first bolt, which is here to hold it steady. There's a second bolt now, which is here on top, I think. Yeah, tighten this bolt here.
Yeah,
it's tight.
Yeah, I know it's tight.
Perfect. Everyone loves it nice and tight. So yeah, I'm sure artist is also gonna love it nice and tight. Otherwise, yes, Ansali.
Yeah. Looks great, man.
Yeah, man. Struggle to put it in now.
Don't worry.
You're gonna
I
struggle,
know
Chief. Where the hole is.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I know where the hole
You're gonna struggle to put it in, Chief. Look at that! Look at that!
It looks great,
Look
yeah.
at that!
What?
Looks great.
Look at that!
Is it recording or a...
Obviously we have to press things.
Yeah, we have to press things, but now.
The camera, that's all I want to see. It's the button where KK is
Oh, wait,
pressing.
KK, wait.
Yeah.
Otherwise, this is
Turn it
Manja's
around.
entire house, guys. For those of you who do not know,
Switch the camera.
Turn around.
Okay.
switch the camera. Yeah, tell them, my child.
Oh, it's taking a photo.
Okay, so
And then
let's
how
take
do we
pictures.
switch it?
There's a record.
Uh,
There's a switch. Oh, no. You need to turn the camera manual at the back, I think.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah,
Okay.
twist.
and then?
All the way around.
Ah.
Then, now the road trips are gonna be fun.
Then KK.
And then someone just decided to turn around the camera.